Volkswagen has started another auto show with an electric concept vehicle. This time it's the ID Space Vizzion. Bucking the trend of introducing SUVs that are electrified, Volkswagen decided to show off, well, a wagon, a station wagon, something we haven't seen in the United States in quite a while. Fortunately, companies like Audi and Volvo have introduced new wagons to the United States, and I think they're doing pretty well. And if they do, we're probably going to see this in the United States pretty soon. This is the 7th ID vehicle that Volkswagen has introduced. All of them are based on the company's new MEB electrified platform. The platform allows for modular battery packs, so you can stretch it out and throw more batteries in there. Volkswagen says that this vehicle behind me will have an 82 kilowatt hour battery pack. Now it's targeting an EPA range of 300 miles. You know what that means? Road trips with the family, like the Griswolds. The interior of the vehicle is on par with other ID concept vehicles. It's minimalistic, and a lot of it comes down to that display and the center console. Both of them are digital, and really, Volkswagen's really going deep on a minimalistic interior, which looks great on these vehicles. In addition to the center infotainment display, Volkswagen says it'll have an AR heads-up display. Now, they didn't show it here, and it's not available here on this concept. Now, I'm assuming it'll probably be like what Mercedes has in their new vehicles. Currently, this car only has 2 rows and 4 seats, but Volkswagen notes that it could have a 3rd row. I'm hoping in that 3rd row, the seats are, well, they're facing backwards, like the station wagons of the 70s and 80s, where you could put the kids back there, and they could just stare at the cars behind them. But instead of a 3rd row in this vehicle, it has 2 electric skateboards. I'm assuming the car probably charges them, and the idea is that you drive into a city center, park the vehicle, and then hop on your skateboard, you and your companion, and cruise to wherever you want to go. The Volkswagen is doing a lot with the lights on this vehicle. The front lights look, well, they're cool. They have this honeycomb section with the lights, and for some reason, the door handles are lights. Of course, once this thing comes into production, these will disappear, or they'll still have lights, but they'll actually be handles that people can use, and firefighters in case there's an accident. Like a lot of Volkswagen's ID concepts, there's a very, very good chance this will come to market. In fact, the company says they're expecting to have this in the United States in 2022. I can't wait. For more automotive coverage from the LA Auto Show, be sure to subscribe to Engadget.